इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है प्रीति।
Okay, guys, I just want to know why are you here? I really want to know why are you here?
प्रीति आई
No,
जस्ट
but you're here for this event. No? So why be unfair? आपकी शादी हुए और मैं इनके पति से congratulations बोलूँ, it's not nice. No? So let's keep it to here. But please go and ask them. I would love to know.
प्रीति इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती हैं लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म वहाँ तक जा नहीं पाती, इसकी क्या वजह मानती हैं आप?
Sorry, what? Why
इंडिया
don't
में
you stand up because I'm looking down
आई
at
कांट
you.
स्टैंड।
Okay, why don't you come there?
मतलब कि
It's
कई
okay
बार
ना।
फेस्टिवल में फिल्म्स दिखाई जाती हैं लेकिन वो उसका वो जिस तरह से
इंडिया में
release
इतनी
होने के
सारी-
बाद इंडिया में लार्जर देन लाइफ जिस तरह से फिल्म
I wanted to ask कि इतनी सारी-
वैसा फेम नहीं मिल पाता फिल्म को, बराबर?
नो
वैसा
आई
scope-
वांटेड टू आस्क कि इंडिया में इतनी सारी फिल्में बनती है लेकिन इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड तक वहाँ पहुँच नहीं पाती है। द थिंग इज वहाँ पे के जिस तरह से फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जहाँ पे सारी फिल्में दिखाई जाती है वहाँ पे कहीं बॉलीवुड फिल्म का नामो निशान नहीं दिखता है, बहुत कम।
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स ट्रू। हमारी फिल्में पूरी दुनिया में जाती है, पर ये देखना इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि दुनिया में हम सेकंड लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है। सो फ्रॉम आवर एक से एक जब तक वो फिल्म आई थिंक इट रन्स इट्स स्टीम ऑफ, बट नो आवर फिल्म्स डू वेरी वेल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड आई थिंक मार्केट्स आर डिफरेंट, व्हाट पीपल नीड इज़ डिफरेंट। इंडिया इज़ द कंट्री जहाँ लॉट ऑफ escapism की सिनेमा होती है, so the demand is very different, you know, and it's the audience. If the audience goes and likes different films, then people will make more different films, but audience likes more masala films. So even if a actor wants to do a serious film, like this year's all-time favorite for me is Mardani. I loved it because उसमें powerful performance थी। मैंने खुद ट्रैफिकिंग ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग पे बहुत रिसर्च की है। इट वॉज़ वेरी करेक्ट द मूवी एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मैंने देखा कि एक रोल, एक तो रानी तो इज़ अ पावर हाउस परफॉर्मर, आई डोंट नीड टू टेल यू दैट, पर उसने एक रेलिवेंट फिल्म की, यू नो, सो आई थिंक एंड द ऑडियंस ने उसको थम्स अप दिया, सो दैट वॉज अ रियली गुड थिंग। नहीं तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स ऑडियंस गिव्स थम्स अप टू मूवीज दैट as actors when we see ourselves in them we get surprised कि ये कैसे चल गई, and then 10 other people offer you those movies. So I think that's also very important from the audience point of view to accept movies that have some kind of value in it or is of essence and relevance.
अब किस तरह का फिल्म
Recently, there was this one tweet sort of that made headlines, and was retweeted by you about the national anthem when you were watching Bang Bang. Of course, you went and watched the movie. Anything you want to say about that? Any clarification?
Well, I don't need to give any clarifications. I've always felt that, of course, it was reported that everybody got upset with me, but I think that was complete misrepresentation because if you look at the chat history, there were 5 people and there were 1,000 people who said. So I think the problem is our country never really asks us for anything, right? It just, the only thing we are expected to do as our rights is to keep it clean, is to respect our armed forces and people who have laid their lives for this country. If you look at that national anthem, it's people standing at 23,000 feet, you know, and they can't stay there more than 6 months because they get bulimic lung syndrome, water goes in their lungs. You can't stand as a mark of respect. The same people go to other countries and stand for their national anthems. So everybody quietly stands up because you know कि somebody will say something to you. So these are not things somebody should tell you. They should come from within you. You know, I think if itni choti cheeze come from within you, tomorrow if a woman is being troubled on the road, people will go and help her because everybody is like, it doesn't concern me attitude. But having said that, it was kind of weird because everybody wanted to throw him out and hit him or whatever, and I just said I think we should leave. I didn't want another tamasha. But I did find out, I think, that he did come